Alright, so this is going to be a short demonstration of our Accumill with a FANUC 3M model, or 3M control, uploading its parameters to some DNC software. Real quick, I'll go over the physical connection that we have. Back here, we have a 25-pin DB25 RS-232 port coming out the back side of our tape reader. It took a little bit of finagling to get that working. We have a DB25 to DB9 serial adapter, and then a QVS serial to USB adapter. We had this one right here, which is another serial adapter, and this one was actually specified that it was for FANUC machines, but it didn't work properly. But this setup I have got working. So we're going to upload all 600 or so machine parameters to our computer. And to do this, we're on the parameters page. There's the beginning of all our parameters. We are in edit mode on our mode switch, and program protect is off. So now I'll go over to my DNC software and I will prompt the program to get ready to receive information. So I'll click receive from CNC. All right, now the computer's waiting to receive information. Now, on the parameters page, all I have to do is press the green start button. And once I do that, you will see information start to roll in. And there's all our parameters coming in.